Williams, MAPS Executive Coach Emily Baker here with my partner.
MAPS Executive Coach Aaron Simons, and together we co-lead Mega Listing Agent. And so Emily, what we're talking about today is where 75% of the listings are coming from right now. And what we know, of course, is that the population is aging. Not us, but the population is aging, correct? Meaning, what we're seeing is that the boomers, which make up the largest percentage of the population, and of course their parents who are the seniors, are only getting older. It's just a fact, right? And right now in this market with interest rates, with uncertainty around pricing, what we're seeing is that 75% of listings are coming from one of three sources. Number one would be the boomers downsizing. What's number two?
Seniors transitioning.
Yeah, they're moving from their family homes into retirement living. And then number three are families inheriting property. So if we wanted to go out and we wanted to target this source, Emily, what would be who else is on the front lines of this business that we could get into relationship with such that we could get more referrals?
Estate attorneys.
Yeah, it's the other professionals, estate attorneys, CPAs, financial planners, and there's many more, but they are on the front lines. So the question we have for you is, how big is your referral network? If we were to go out and grow a network of 25 professionals, right? And it can be multiple estate plan attorneys, multiple CPAs, multiple financial planners. Emily, would we get more referrals?
Absolutely.
Yeah, and if we wanted to go out and get into a relationship with these professionals, what's the number one way to go do that right now?
You reach out, you call them, you ask them.
Yeah, you're already connected to some of them, right? Look, if you've got a CPA, ask your CPA. Hey, who do you refer clients to when they have estate planning needs? Who do you refer clients to when they have financial planning needs, right? So this is just one of many of the sources that we talk about in Mega Listing Agents to get you taking more listings today.